Hello, welcome. So this is the problem here. Question is there, if x square plus x into y plus y square is equal to 100, then find the dy by dx square. Solution. See how to solve this problem. First of all, write the given question is as it is, that is x square plus x into y plus y square is equal to 100. Okay. So this is a implicit problem, is the differentiation. Okay, differentiate here. So now differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. Differentiate with respect to x on both hand side. Now separately differentiate here. Derivative of x square with respect to x plus derivative of x into y with respect to x plus derivative of y square with respect to x is equal to derivative of 100 with respect to x. I written here separately. Now differentiate derivative of x square. We know the formula, derivative of x power of n with respect to x is equal to n into x power n minus 1. By using this formula, we have to be differentiate. Or directly we know that derivative of x square is 2x plus derivative of x into y. This function is in multiple form. So this is the first function, this is the second function. Now by using the product tool, you have to be differentiate here. So this is the first function, second function. First function as it is, derivative of second function plus second function as it is, derivative of first function with respect to x plus derivative of y square. So derivative of y square is 2y and again derivative of y with respect to x is equal to derivative of 100. Constant is there, that is a 0. Okay, now simplify 2x plus x into dy by dx plus y into this dy by dx term is 1 because dx by dx itself divides, that value is 1. 1 into y is y plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now take the dy by dx term one side. Okay, so now x dy by dx plus 2y dy by dx is equals to, now 2x and here plus becomes minus, so minus 2x. Now here remains plus y becomes here means minus y. Okay, now take the common here minus and it will becomes plus 2x plus y. Now take the here dy by dx is common. What means x plus 2y is equals to minus 2x plus y. So we need only dy by dx value. Therefore this is a multiple, it becomes divides. So dy by dx is equals to minus 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. This is the required answer of the given question. Okay. Okay, come to the next question here. See the question, if x is equals to 80 square, y is equals to 280, then find the dy by dx value. Okay, so this is a parametric function. We have to be differentiate here and find the dy by dx. Okay, so see the solution, how to solve this problem. Okay, first to write the given x is equals to 80 square and y is equals to 280. Now differentiate here, differentiate with respect to t, on both hand side. Then dx by dt is equals to derivative of at square with respect to t. Okay, so now dx by dt is equals to constant a outside, derivative of t square is 2t. Now simplify, dx by dt is equals to 2at. This is the dx by dt value. Same way differentiate here with respect to t. So differentiate with respect to t on both hand side. So dy by dt is equals to derivative of 2at. So dy by dt is equals to constant 2a outside, derivative of t with respect to t is 1. So 2a into 1 is 2a. So dy by dt is equals to, 2a. But we need a dy by dx value. But we got here dx by dt and a dy by dt. Okay. So we know that dy by dx is equals to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now put the value here. Dy by dt value is 2a and dx by dt value is 2at. 2a get cancelled. What remains? 1 by t. So this is the answer. So therefore dy by dx value is 1 by t. Okay, next question is there. Differentiate sine of cos x square with respect to x. Okay, so this is a sine cos x square. Okay, see how to solve this problem. This is a composite function. Okay, so first of all, write the given function is y is equals to sine of cos of x square. Now differentiate. They are given already with respect to x. So with respect to x on both hand side. So derivative of y with respect to x is equals to derivative of sine of cos x square. Okay, so this is equals to, okay, first of all we have to consider this total function is a x or u. Okay, so sine, this is a u. If I consider u is equal to cos x square, then given function becomes sine u. Okay, so derivative of sine u is cos u. U means what? Cos x square. Again derivative of u. U means cos x square. Derivative of sine angle, or you take u. Okay, whatever it may be, that one. Derivative of sine angle is cos angle. Again derivative of angle. Okay, so this is equals to cos of cos x square. Derivative of cos x square. Again it consider cos angle. Derivative of cos angle is minus of sine angle. Angle as it is, here the x square. Again derivative of angle. Angle means x square. Okay, so derivative of cos angle is minus sine angle into derivative of angle. What is the angle here? X square. So again differentiate angle here. Okay, so this is equals to, don't multiple both are. Okay, so this is wrong, don't multiple. So cos as it is, cos of cos x square minus sine x square, derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Okay, so now simplify here. So this is equals to, here minus 2x, write the first, minus 2x sine x square cos of cos x square. So this is a dy by dx value. Okay, so you remember before differentiating, first of all understand this value. Sine angle, sine value. Derivative of sine angle is cos angle. Again derivative of angle. Okay, as it is, again differentiate here. Derivative of cos angle is minus sine angle. Again derivative of angle. Okay, this is a composite function is there. So you have to differentiate function first after the angle. First function after angle. First function after angle. Okay, of minus sine x square as it is, derivative of x square is 2x. Minus 2x sine x square cos of cos x square. This is a very good answer of the given question. So come to the next problem here. So this is a problem based on the integration. Okay, see how to solve this problem. Find integration of sin square of x minus cos square of x divided by sin square of x into cos square of x with respect to x. This is a given problem. Solution. Write the given integral, that is I is equals to sin square of x minus cos square of x divided by sin square x into cos square x dx. Now separate it and integrate. To separate it, so I will separate here sin square of x divided by sin square of x into cos square of x dx minus integration of cos square of x divided by sin square of x into cos square of x dx. Okay, so simplify here. I is equals to integration of sin square of x get cancelled here, cos square of x get cancelled here. What remains? 1 divided by cos square of x. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by cos x? Sec x. So here square is there, so secant square of x. So secant square of x dx minus integration of, here 1 divided by Sin square of x. What is the reciprocal 1 by sin x? Cosec x. Here cosec square of x with respect to dx. Now integrate here. So integration of secant square of x. We know that tan x. Okay, minus as it is. Integration of cosec square of x. That is a minus cot x plus c. Then I is equals to tan x minus minus plus cot x plus c. This is the answer. Okay.
Stop!